In this video, we will explore why the App Store disappeared from your iPhone or iPad and provide 10 practical solutions to help you recover it safely, from checking folders to using professional iOS system recovery tools. Part 1. Why did my App Store disappear? Before fixing a missing App Store on your iPhone, it's important to understand why it's gone. Common reasons include the App Store being accidentally moved to a folder, system apps being in the app library, screen time restrictions, iOS bugs or outdated software, and corrupted screen layout or settings. Part 2. How to fix the App Store missing from iPhone or iPad. Here are 10 step-by-step fixes for the App Store disappeared problem, starting from the simplest to the more advanced methods. Fix 1. Check all folders. The App Store might be accidentally dragged into a folder while organizing apps. Check all your iPhone folders to see if it's hidden there. Fix 2. Use Spotlight Search to find the App Store. If you recently customized your home screen, you might have moved the App Store into another folder. Use Spotlight Search to quickly locate it. Step 1. Swipe down on the home screen to open Spotlight Search. Step 2. Type App Store in the search bar. Step 3. If the app shows up in the search results, just tap it to open. Fix 3. Restore the App Store from the app library. With iOS 14 and later, Apple introduced the app library, which might automatically move the App Store, causing it to disappear from the home screen. Step 1. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top and type App Store. Step 3. When it appears in the search results, press and hold the App Store icon. Step 4. Then, select Add to Home Screen to move it back for easy access. Fix 4. Force restart iPhone. A system glitch may cause the App Store icon to disappear. To fix it, try restarting your iPhone 6 and earlier. Hold side plus home until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 plus, hold volume down plus side until the logo appears. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up plus volume down, then hold side until the logo appears. Fix 5. Check restrictions. Screen time restrictions can prevent the App Store from appearing on your device. Verifying and disabling these restrictions may solve the problem. Step 1. Open Settings Screen Time. Step 2. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Step 3. Go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Step 4. Click on Installing Apps and make sure the Allow option is turned on. Fix 6. Reset Home Screen Layout. If the home screen layout is corrupted, system apps like the App Store may not appear correctly. Resetting the layout restores default positions. Step 1. Open Settings General. Step 2. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Select Reset Home Screen Layout. Fix 7. Reset all settings. If the App Store disappeared due to conflicting system settings, resetting all settings may fix the issue without deleting your data. Step 1. Go to Settings General. Step 2. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Select Reset all settings. Fix 8. Check for iOS updates. The issue of certain App Store icons disappearing may be a known bug in older versions of iOS. Updating the system can help resolve it completely. Step 1. Open Settings General. Step 2. Tap Software Update. Step 3. Download and install any available update. Fix 9. Using iOS System Recovery. If regular methods don't work, the issue may be with the iOS system. Using a professional tool like iOS System Recovery can fix over 150 iOS problems, including a missing App Store, without risking data loss in standard mode. Step 1. Launch the software on your computer and connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. In the interface, click on More Tools, then select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. The software will automatically detect your iPhone's issue, displaying problems like being stuck on the Apple logo, iPhone being disabled, error 27, recovery mode, etc. Click the Start button to proceed. Step 3. Verify your iPhone's information before starting the repair. If the details are correct, click Repair to begin the process. If not, manually correct the information and then click Repair to begin the fix. Fix 10. Erase all content and settings. If the App Store issue persists, a serious system malfunction may be the cause. Restoring factory settings is the final solution, but remember to back up your data first. Step 1. Open Settings General. Step 2. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Select Erase all content and settings.